Hello makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene and I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. For today's two different looks, one palette, I got this one. I'm gonna try and go up close here so you can see what it looks like. And I really dig the color story. And when I saw this, I had some thoughts because this looks very much like Pat McGrath Labs, and it feels very much like Pat McGrath Labs, but we're gonna go into that later. So if you want to see how I did these two different looks, then keep watching because I will show you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or you want to tell me if you try out any of KIKO Milano stuff, then please let me know in the comments. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It'll be amazing to have you join. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? Starting out this look with a little bit of the illuminating nude on my, oops, I'm just going to dip into it again, on my Builder Pro. And I'm just going to use that, as you can see here, as the highlighter, and it is just as sparkly as you know who or what brand. Dip my Blender Pro into Purple Passion, and I'm gonna put that here ever so gently. Ever so gently, I said, but still, I'm gonna try and blend this out, because just like you know who, it is very pigmented, but I can work with this for sure. Just going back and forth like windshield wiper motions and blending the color out a little bit so it's not so crazy. So I'm just gonna make it more diffused here, at least to begin with. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going with this. I just know I'm gonna have to use a green. The green is so pretty. A little bit of the Radiant Plum, the brown color here on the outer part of my mobile eyelid. And these matte colors, they are just, yeah, they are just so beautiful and so creamy to work with, but they are matte shadows. Just look at that. It's such a pretty color, and it already exists in another eyeshadow palette that Pat McGrath made. Oh, I said it again, but you already knew when clicking the video, you knew what this was all about. Did I just call the brown color I just applied for Radiant Plum? If I did, I was so wrong. I got it all wrong. This is the Radiant Plum. The other one next to here is Bold Bordeaux, I think. It is like a chocolate brown color with a purple undertone or a purple hue to it. In a way, it's very stunning, beautiful. And this one is a little bit sparkly, but not overly sparkly. And I am just gonna blend it out here into the inner part, but not completely into the inner part. And for the inner part of my mobile eyelid, I'm gonna go into the, well, I went into the lightest color. It's a very wet, like it makes the skin look a little bit wet. It has a little bit of a wet look, the way it is. I just using that here and blending it into the previous color. And dip my flat definer brush into the Jade Journey, I think it's called, the beautiful, beautiful green. And if you've been here before, you might already know that I absolutely love green eyeshadow. Love, love, love. And I'm just gonna put that under the eye here like an eyeliner. And then I'm gonna go and blend out the borders just a tiny little bit. I'm gonna put it up here and let it meet with the colors above. And KIKO had the exact green color that I love so much, and I'm just gonna look here and see what it's called. Intense Color Long Lasting Eyeliner in the color 10. Let's see here how it is on the waterline, if we can get it to stick there. It's more or less the same color as the eyeshadow. I'm gonna give this look a liquid eyeliner, and I'm primarily, like most of the times when I do a liquid eyeliner, gonna concentrate on the outer part, going inwards to the middle, and perfecting it here. Like so. And here you see the first look with a little bit of mascara that I had on already when I started the look, and with some false, fairly natural lashes. Now I'm gonna go on to the second look. I'm gonna start out the second look the same way as the first look, with a bit of a highlighter under my brow. And as you can see, of course, I'm using the lightest shadow in the palette. And I thought, why not test the blending power out with the darkest shadow in the palette, so the second look is not going to be overly plum-like. And as you can see, for now, it's very subtle. This brown color with a bit of purple in it. The Bordeaux color. I'm gonna dip in for a little bit more. Same brush, same color. And I'm gonna place it here in the, no, I don't remember what it's called. The crease, of course. Sometimes I think in Spanish or in Danish, and then when I have to speak English, it's like it's all clashing. Forgive me for that. In Denmark, we call it the globe line. So that's a bit different. I don't know actually if it's because we think about the eye being the shape of the globe, or globus, as we say in Denmark. Maybe. You never know with the Danes. But this is working out pretty well, I think, with the brown. I love a brown like this, and I love this consistency. And with this look, I'm gonna go all in with the green, because I love me some green. So inner corner, green. Outer corner, green. And this is the lovely, lovely dark. It's not an olive green. It's just like, or maybe dark olive, if I'm not sure what to call this. It's almost like bottle green. Maybe, I don't know. But it's called Jade Journey, so it must be a jade, or it is some kind of a jade color too. So this is what we have so far. Dipped into the lightest color with my green finger, and I am just gonna do the halo eye here with that and stamp it on the middle of my eyelid, like so. I think it's well blended into the green, and I'm just using a teeny tiny bit. A little goes a long way. Purple Passion on my soft definer brush, and I'm gonna look up and put this color under my eye, as you can see. Beautiful. So beautiful. Love, love, love. And I think we can use some green eyeliner for this also. And I really feel that these colors, they are really like autumn colors. And to make this look a little bit different from the other, I'm going to use a dark brown eyeliner here, liquid eyeliner. It's a black coffee from Pat McGrath Labs. Just to not do exactly the same liner as I did on the other eye. And to make it less harsh. So this is it. If I had a Bordeaux liquid eyeliner, trust me, I would use that. And here you see the second eye look with some false lashes. I didn't get them to fit very well, unfortunately. They did not like my eye shape, so but that what's happened sometimes, and I didn't want to change to another set of lashes because that would look very odd, and I didn't want to ruin the makeup. So this is what you get for now. I'm going to zoom you out so you can see what these two different looks look like with a full face of makeup. And these are the two different looks with a full face of makeup. And I'm now going to put on my glasses. I'm going to go through what I have on my face. As a foundation, I am wearing the House Labs 160 mixed with Pat McGrath Labs number 20. On my cheeks, I am wearing the two rosy colors from the Bridgerton palette, you know, the big bulky one with the big formula. It's so beautiful. And I also used the highlighter from that palette. On my lips, I am wearing the Nude Venus, also from Pat McGrath, and it is the Lust Gloss. So, how do we feel? How do I feel about this? In a way, I'm in shock because, like I said in the beginning, the ads popped up on Instagram, and I was like, this looks so familiar. And it was all I could think about. So I was like, okay, I'm going to have to go out and buy it, and I'm going to try it to see if it really is like the Pat McGrath Labs formula. And it really feels like that. It's so crazy because I'm going to show you the palette now with the Pat McGrath, one of the Pat McGrath quints, so you can see them next to each other more or less. Here, let me see here. I'm going to pull them. I hope that you can see it. So this is Pat McGrath. No, actually, this is KIKO, sorry, with the green color. This is KIKO, and the pants are a little bit smaller than the Pat McGrath. This is from last year, the Bijou Brilliance, the Nightshade. What is it called? Lunar Nightshade. And actually, one of the colors from this palette is very similar to the KIKO palette. I actually did some comparisons, and I was stunned. Let me see if I can show my hand. If you can even see that. Oh, now you can see that I'm using my watch as a remote. But anyway, this was just crazy for me. You know, it was like, what is happening? This is so crazy. So it feels like copy paste, boom. But this palette, this quint, this, wow, it's so beautiful. The curation of that is so beautiful. And of course, all the colors are stunning by themselves also. So yeah, I don't know what to think about it. I love it and hate it at the same time, you know. But let me know in the comments what you think, and if you have tried any of the KIKO Milano's quints, because I'm not sure if it's new. I haven't noticed it before, but hey, they might have done them before without my knowledge, but without me knowing about it. But anyways, let me know what you think in the comment. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions also, then please put that in the comments too. And of course, if you like videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. It will be awesome to have you join. Now I want to wish you an awesome day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mwah.